This is Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.
And I'm Taylor Kincaid. Thanks for being with us. And Gary, thanks for being with us today.
Good to be here.
Now, we had a viewer write in with a scenario. I was riding my bike and got hit by a car, but the other guy didn't have enough insurance to cover the bills. What should I do?
Well, there's a lot to unpack here because number one, insurance or medical bills have skyrocketed in the last few years. The amount a medical bill for an emergency room visit is insane now. So it's not hard to get over and above what minimum limits are on insurance. If somebody's driving, even with $50,000 in coverage, it doesn't take long before that's exhausted, you know. So, but particularly minimum limits, $25,000 is all anybody has to have for bodily injury, which includes the medical bills. So that doesn't take long to escalate. But here's the thing a lot of people don't think about it. You're on your bicycle and you're hit by a car who doesn't have enough insurance. That's when uninsured motorist coverage kicks in, even though you're not in your vehicle. So people think, well, I wasn't even in my car. Why would my car insurance cover? Well, your car insurance is covering the fact that the other guy doesn't have enough coverage. So you can tap into UM coverage if you have it. And look, if I haven't said this enough, I need to say it again. You should have uninsured motorist coverage because there's so many people without any coverage at all, or they don't have enough coverage. And that brings up another thing we don't talk about very much, but you know, premiums have gotten high. A lot of that is due to property damage, because the same minimums apply to property damage. It's 25 grand, but there's a lot of vehicles out there that cost a lot more than 25 grand. And so there is a property damage claim in every wreck. Someone doesn't get hurt in every wreck, but someone's vehicle has to be repaired or totaled in every wreck. And it doesn't take long to get to 25 grand in that these days. I'm not sure these numbers are really keeping up with inflation and the cost of what we're dealing with, but property damage claims are huge now, and that's where a lot of the expense of premiums is coming from, because those claims are just escalating. Anyway, all that to say, if you don't have enough coverage, there can be other avenues for collect, not only but maybe they were on the job. So sometimes we have to file a lawsuit and start asking questions. You know, what was going on? Who was involved? Are there other sources of insurance that might be able to take care of the medical bills, not to mention the pain and suffering?
And in a stressful situation, it's good to have those questions ready and know what to ask.
Well, give us a call if you have questions.
All right, thank you so much, and we'll see you all in the next Legal Break.
This has been Legal Break with attorney Gary Bruce.